to enable margin investing on Robinhood, which allows you to borrow funds to purchase securities using your portfolio as collateral. You must first understand the associated risks, as this feature can amplify both potential gains and losses. To begin, open the Robinhood app and click on the profile icon, located at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the three-line menu at the top of the screen and select the investing option. Scroll down to the margin investing section, which will be disabled, and click on the Enable Margin Investing button. A new screen will appear, providing details on how margin investing works. Click Continue to proceed. Read through the details and click Continue again. You will then be prompted to enter your investor profile details, which you must fill out correctly. After reviewing the information, you will be able to see your assigned margin limit or borrowing limit. If needed, you can modify this limit by clicking on the Set Up Borrowing Limit link. Finally, click Continue, and margin investing will be enabled on your Robinhood account.